What's the deal, YouTube? It's your boy Rico the Waver, man. And before we start this video, make sure y'all leave a like on the video, man. I'm ending my 6-week woof today, and we picking up a Bucci360 brush. But while we here, man, make sure y'all follow my Instagram at Rico the Waver so y'all can stay up to date on new exclusives and stuff that's gonna hit YouTube. Y'all can see it before it even hits YouTube. You can watch me washing style on Instagram, all type of stuff, man. You know, see the waves. See videos of me unragging the waves at the ocean, you feel me, the pool, whatever you want to call it, man. All type of exclusives, man. See me fixing on the crown, all type of stuff. So make sure y'all give it a follow at Rico the Waver. Y'all stay up to date with me on a personal level, you know. So we're going to keep this, we're going to keep it player, and y'all going to watch this video in the 6-week whoop. Don't skip none of it. Watch the whole video because it all needs to be watched. What's the deal, YouTube? It's your boy Rico the Waver, man. We're going to end our 6-week woof today, man. And we picking up some Bucci360 brushes, man, while we on the way. So we got a long little journey to head on, man. We finna get out of here and get cracking, man. Look, man, we finna go get a cut right now from this new barber I go to, man, so I can show y'all how he is in this little 6-week woof. I'm gonna show y'all a little cool before and after and all that, man. So, you know, I'm gonna show y'all that right now. Right now we on the way to do that. I just had to pick up some little dough, you feel me, so we can get these Bucci360 brushes, man. I bet y'all probably ain't knew I lived in the same city as him, but now y'all know, you feel me? Most of y'all probably already knew, but the OGs definitely know. The new people, y'all don't know that, but y'all know now. And y'all finna see me go pick up some new brushes from him, man. So, I'm gonna pick up with y'all when I'm at the barber shop getting my cut next. And hey, man, like I told y'all, man, giveaway coming soon at 4,000 subscribers. We gonna be there soon. We at 3.9 right now. We finna be at 4,000 in another 100, man. Y'all give me the 4,000. I'm gonna have this giveaway. It's coming real soon. You feel me? I got some other stuff coming for y'all I'm working on. If y'all see my Instagram, y'all gonna get them exclusives. So go follow me on Instagram at Rico the Waver. I'm not gonna tell y'all what that exclusive is because you need to follow my Instagram. If you follow my Instagram, you'll see exclusive stuff that's coming soon for the YouTube. But y'all gotta follow the Instagram first. Y'all not gonna be able to see it unless you follow it. So follow the Instagram and y'all stay up to date. And y'all see more exclusives than usual that you're gonna see on YouTube. You feel me? So as long as y'all stay up to date, y'all gonna get them exclusives, man. Alright, y'all, so my barber wasn't there. My dumbass should have called ahead of time. My barber wasn't there, y'all. Should have called ahead of time, you know. So I'm gonna set an appointment for tomorrow. But right now we just gonna go pick up the brushes from a Bucci, and then feel me, get these Bucci360 brushes, and then we gonna, you know, get our cut. The cut's still finna be in this video, so y'all still gonna be able to see me get my cut. So y'all just seeing me pick up the brushes first and then go get my cut, you feel me? Alright, man, I'm finna get ready to pick up these Bucci360 brushes, man. We got them in the video right here.
Man, what's going on, man? It's Bucci360. My boy Rico put up on me to cop 2 of the Bucci360 brushes. I salute my brother. Man, these brushes, man, I'm trying to tell y'all, these brushes is the real deal. If y'all want to order them, the link will be in my bio of Bucci360. That's my Instagram. The link will be right there. They $20 each, curved brush. And these brushes are beautiful. These brushes are right, and I'm glad my boy Rico put up on me. He finna get his, what woof cut again?
Yeah, man, 6 weeks woof,
6
man.
weeks.
Finna get this all cut off. He finna end his woof too.
I'm in my woof at 8 weeks, Friday, so.
Feel me? Let me see.
We got the fingers coming soon. Check it out, check it out.
Oh yeah, this is good.
Yeah.
Let me get y'all a close up real quick so y'all show y'all the brushes look.
That light is something cold in the sun.
Yeah, y'all get to see these brushes firsthand, man.
First hand. Ooh.
Got mine. Got 2 of them just to support the hustle.
Got 2 of them. Okay. I see you, bro.
Oh yeah, good medium.
I feel good.
Oh yeah, definitely finna put this to work as soon as I cut. Probably my next woof, I'm gonna end with this brush. I'm gonna use nothing but Bucci360 brushes, man, on the next woof so we can put them to use.
Oh, I like
that.
that.
Really working, man. Oh yeah, this is A1. Support your boy. Y'all get 2 brushes, man. Don't just get 1. Get 2. Support the hustle, man. It's only right you support the hustle, man. Support a black-owned business, man. It's only right. Don't just be out here buying 1 brush. If you support your boy, grab 2 of them things, man. Have 1 wash brush. Have 1, you know, feel me, that you use on the go. Have a to-go brush. Have a, you feel me? a brush to use at the house. You feel me? I'm definitely gonna have one of these to go, so I can just, you know, feel me? The good thing about having a to-go brush is motherfuckers gonna be like, damn, every time you out somewhere, you know, motherfucker gonna be like, who brush is that? That's a Bucci360 brush. There you go, supporting, bro. It take nothing but 2 seconds and literally 2 words to, feel me? That's a Bucci360 brush, or where you get it. Hit a Bucci on Instagram. That fat is that simple to support a black-owned business, man. I don't see why y'all don't be doing that, or just be acting all stuck up. You feel me? I'm pretty sure when my stuff drop, he gonna rock with me. I'm pretty sure everybody will rock. You know, it don't take nothing but a minute to support a black-owned business, man. It's only right. You know, it's only right to support a black-owned business. You feel me? I done caught my brushes. You feel me? Y'all go get yours fast, ASAP, in a hurry. It's definitely a medium brush. You know, I'm gonna keep it 100 with y'all. I'm not gonna lie, just cause that's my boy. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. This brush actually feels A1, and I'm gonna let y'all know my real results when I, you know, feel me? Drop my review on them. You feel me? I gotta be the first review. If I ain't the first review, I'm the second review. You dig? Nice. A1. Go get y'all brushes, man. ASAP, ASAP. You know, I'm sad I couldn't get my cut today, but it's alright though. We gonna set that bad boy up for Thursday. You feel me? Come on now, y'all can't beat that, man. That motherfucker A1. You can't beat it, bro. You can't beat it. Look at the quality on that, bro. No scratches, no nothing, bro. Fresh out the box, fresh out the package. You feel me? And I got 2 of them bad boys. I don't even, man. You feel me? This might be a wash brush. This gonna be my to-go brush. So I'm brushing my hair on the out, and when I'm on the go, people gonna be like, "What's that?" That's a Bucci360 brush. You want a brush? Hit that Bucci360 merch. You feel me? On Instagram. That fast, bro. It's that easy to support a black-owned business. You feel me? You support yours, you gonna get that support back. You feel me? You rock with somebody, they gonna rock with you back. You feel me? It's that simple. I don't see how y'all. I don't know what y'all be doing, man. It's not that hard. You feel me? Y'all want to see y'all letting all these other people grow, where y'all not letting these black people grow. You feel me? That we always against each other. We need to be with each other. Oh, you like a 360?
No, it's funny. How you want to do your shit?
Need to get a 2 with the bone.
All right. Everything even?
Yeah, I'll keep this part a little more thick.
Okay. What about the beard and shit? I'm sorry.
You shave this all off.
Okay.
And this ball winds up being intercepted. They go back to the air here after the INT on the last and he's going to come down with it. And goes for a gain of 31. Well, last drive he threw the pick, but he's not shy. He's going downfield to get there. And you can't win because if you back on throwing an interception, your whole game plan just goes right out the window, and it makes things easier for defense.
That's the best cut you ever had.
There's a quarterback in this league that's any good and doesn't throw an interception. And he usually bounces back in a big way.
Tighten you up one time, make sure everything's straight, even the pool, good going.
1 yard line. 9 yards on the carry there, a good run, and now 2nd and goal. That's what they wanted out of that first down play. Run it down there, now they're knocking on the door.
The only thing that would have been better was getting it in, and now they can do whatever they want because they've got confidence on their side. Line up quickly and go, or savor it a little bit, but I run right back out.
Second wave of tacklers is going to get him as they stop it behind the line. It's a loss of 2, now 3rd down. 2 minutes to play here in the first half. Back to Foxborough after this. A reminder that when halftime rolls around, Jonathan Coachman will have all the highlights and analysis of this first half of play from our studios in Orlando. This is Gronkowski, and he'll be brought down right on the edge of the goal line at about the 1 yard line. Able to hold him to just 2 yards, and now it's 4th and goal.
He wasn't the primary target, but I think it was almost like a check-down situation, wasn't it?
Yeah, hoping he can break some tackles, a big tight end, but he couldn't do it.
Yeah, get into that big frame.
Taking it in for the and the Patriots have an early lead. So they went for it from the run on 4th and goal, and they got it done. This is the new NFL. This is the new NFL.
Now you thinking, yo, Devin. Yeah.